Hey, how's it going? So today I am making a brief video on how to help you load Google Chrome faster, whether you've been having the initial page loading very slow or if all the tabs themselves are very slow. I figured it'd be nice to go ahead and help you. As always, check out the channel as I do have other possible solutions for issues that you may have or have had in the past. But let's go ahead and get started. So Google Chrome may be acting very slow. The first thing that I do recommend is trying to make sure that it is currently updated. You'll go ahead and go into the settings section by going to the top right section of Google Chrome, clicking on the three dots, and then scrolling to the settings section, which should be right here, just in case you can't see it on the video. Go ahead and go into settings and you'll be greeted by this page here. Go down to About Chrome, and again, make sure that it's updated. As the updates are brought out, typically the solutions come with the new updates. However, you might have new issues with new updates and may consider going or rolling back your current version of Google Chrome. Okay, the next step would be to go into your extensions and ensuring that you disable any ad blockers that may be installed, as I've read in forums and other pages that it may slow down your Google Chrome. So go ahead and disable those ad blockers, see if that helps. The next step would be to go into privacy and security within the settings, and then scroll down to the advanced section right here. As you can see, we have select DNS provider. What you want to do is go ahead and see which setting you have. For me, I have the default here. So from what I read and researched, switching over to Google Public DNS, that's Google Public DNS, may help you to make it faster. However, if you have Google Public DNS, you may also switch to the OS default that I currently have shown here to see if that helps you. So try one or the other, see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, we'll go into our next section, and this is a section that worked for me. If you go to performance, and if you go down to the speed section here, you see that we have two options here, which are supposed to help you load pages faster. In general, if you visited the page before, that should help you as well. So by default, I believe you have standard preloading available to you. So once I went ahead and switched over to the extended preloading, I noticed that everything was ridiculously faster, where it used to take maybe 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes to load a page. Now it takes a second, if at that. So let's go ahead and go into, let's say, the Razor website, and you'll see how fast it loads. And there you go. Basically, the page is already loaded. It's just loading my account, and then that's that. So that's the suggestions that I have for you. I hope one of these does help you. And then, of course, the last thing that I would consider doing is going to either reset the settings in case you mess with them. You can go ahead and do that, and then maybe follow the steps that I brought forth, or go ahead and uninstall Google Chrome and then re-download it, see if that helps you. Other considerations that you can do is to clear your cache, clear your settings and cookies and whatnot. That's easy to do. And then, of course, if you need help finding anything, you can always use this search bar here, and I'll show you where to go. But yeah, let me know if any of these worked for you. If you have other suggestions, or if you still have issues, I'm always welcome to trying to help you out. If you like the video, please give it a like, please subscribe, check out the other videos, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.